The question that arises in every beginner's mind is, should one use the henna cone at the very start of the henna practices? The answer is no. Why is it so? Watch the video completely and you will get the answer. Hello everybody, I Amrita welcome you all to the first basic henna class of Pankhudi Mehandi channel. All the classes will be available in English and Hindi languages, that too in different playlists. It will be very clearly mentioned on the thumbnail of each and every video of the henna class if the video is delivered in English language or in Hindi language, and you can watch the respective video as per your interest. So let's start with the basic elements of the Mehndi art. The very basic element of the Mehndi art is a dot. Yes, it is a dot. The dot can be divided into the sub-elements like line, semicircle and circle. There are some more sub-elements of the semicircle and the circle. They are the petal shape and the frill elements. The circle has the sub-elements like an oval and the spiral shape. Now, the question that may come in your mind is, why are only these elements called as the basic elements of the Mehndi art? It is because a dot, a line, a semicircle, a circle, a petal or the raindrop shape, a frill, an oval and the spiral. All these are the forms of continuity. Every element, any of the element of the above elements, whenever we draw these, they can be drawn with continuity. And if we practice these elements at the very start of the Mehndi class, it will be very easy to us to start the practices with the Mehndi cone. By practicing these elements, not only our hand but also our mind gets into the continuity. And that's the reason that the Mehndi practices should be started with a pencil at the very beginning stage of the learning process. I hope all of you might have got the answer to the question that I presented at the very beginning of the video. Mehndi practices should not be done in a boring manner. To fill some colors means to add some interest, what I have done is I have prepared a layout of the circles, and now I am drawing the lines as you can see in the video. You too have to do the line practices in the same manner. Now the remaining portion of the layout I am filling with the lines. Practicing the lines in this manner may create a very beautiful artwork, and even your practice will not become boring thing. Remember, all these pencil practice sheets should be kept safe, should be preserved, because we will need them during the Mehndi cone practice sessions. Finally, the line practice is completed and it looks too beautiful, isn't it? Like and share the video, subscribe the channel, press on the bell icon to get notification of the new videos. See you again. Thank you very much.